This is Isis Jade with Alchemist Co., Alchemist Apothecary. You can find our products on alchemistco.com. What I wanted to talk to you a little bit today was exactly how to use a ritual bath from us. Our ritual baths are absolutely beautiful. They come in 8 ounces and 16-ounce sizes. And you'll see that it shows you the directions here. Let's see if we can get that to kind of just focus here. And the ingredients. Ingredients in our ritual baths are certified organic and wild-crafted ingredients. It includes Dead Sea salts, magnesium salts, Himalayan sea salt or Celtic sea salt, depending. Sodium bicarbonate to activate the frequencies. Jojoba oil. This one contains a wide variety of bioenergized sacred oils, of resins, citrus, cinnamon, frankincense, myrrh, and ginger, as well as rose, in order to manifest abundance. This is the Abundance Impact Manifesting Ritual Bath, okay? You want to use something like this. An 8-ounce package is more than sufficient to have 8 baths. We recommend 1 to 2 ounces. Or you can do 1/8 to 1/4 of a cup. As you can see right here, I have a 1/4 cup here in my thing. We always include a satchel for you. It's always stapled or attached to this, or it's just included in your little package, depending, okay? The color of your satchel will depend on what we have available. It always comes like this. And the reason why we include the satchel for all of our baths is so that the herbs do not clog up your drain. This way you can just drain out or rinse out your satchel when you're done using it. And always, it's very easy to close and open. So the strategy for using these is very simple. Before you begin taking your bath, what you want to do is write down your intentions for your bath, okay? Write it down on a sheet of paper. I recommend using your favorite pin. I have my little rose gold with my little quartz crystal on top. I had that crystal changed out to a quartz crystal when I bought it. And then you write your intentions on a little sheet of paper. Make sure there's no machine edges. Just tear off all around the sheet of paper. Write it in and then put it in your satchel, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take 1/8 to 1/4 cup and you're going to put it in your little satchel. You see that? There's very little that's going to come out of here. This is going to be really helpful for you. All right, that's the first step, okay? I'm going to show you a hack to activate this next. Okay, so you have your intentions. I don't have one written in this one, but you have your intention in here. You have your 1/4 cup of salts in here. Like you said, you don't need a lot, okay? The hack here is to boil your water first, okay? You can use moon water that you have clear during the new moon or full moon. I recommend new moon water. You can use distilled water, fresh spring water, or filtered water. Just make sure it's not just plain tap water. Make sure that it has imbibed in your intention. So you're gonna pour this into the pan like so. You're gonna heat this up, all right? So we're gonna pretend this is all heated up. That's what we're gonna do here. Oh, I wanna show you this. This is my tree of life. Isn't that beautiful? It sits over my stove, and yes, it connects, so it has LED backlighting as well. It's a really beautiful, sweet little thing. So we wait for it to warm up enough, and then we drop our little satchel in, just like so, with our little intention written in it, and we let that soak for a few minutes. What that's gonna do is that's going to absorb the salts and the sodium bicarbonate and activate the frequencies, and your herbs will be left behind here, okay? So it's going to dissolve it. When you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to take that entire thing and take it to your bath, and I'm going to show you that next. Okay, so now we're at the bathtub. This is my guest bathroom here. You can see that it's a nice little spa tub, but you can see how quickly this is going to dilute and activate, okay? And as you can see, all the herbs are left behind. You're going to turn this on as hot as you can stand it. You have your 4 cups of boiling water in here, and as it fills up, you're going to state what's written on your paper. You're going to state what's written on your paper, and you are going to repeat that 10 times as you slowly pour this into your tub. So you're going to say, divine, manifest for me, or create for me unlimited abundance, ease of grace. Whatever you wrote on your paper, repeat that 10 times. Very slowly pour it in, just like that. Slowly pour it in. I know my house is a wreck. You're just going to slowly pour it in like that, okay? And that is how you do that. And then drop the satchel in to the bath as it's filling up. As you can see, it's already diluted. You see how quickly that is? So you're not going to get a lot of herbs and stuff clogging up your drain or anything when you do it this strategy, but you're also going to have a lot more intention filled. And as you do it, I want you to swirl your hand in clockwise to activate the energies, not counterclockwise, clockwise, toward your body and into the water, clockwise, all right? Then you're going to soak for about 20 minutes. And while you're in there soaking, just continue to repeat to yourself your intentions. Clear your mind, clear all your intentions. This ritual bath is going to purify your auric field. It's going to help you become magnetized to attracting what you want in life. And that is how we use our ritual baths. All right. Now, our ritual baths come in 2 sizes depending on the type. It comes in 8 ounce and 16 ounce. You can find those on our website at alchemistco.com. And they're really very reasonable because they're super concentrated with the same oils that are put into our roller bottles. Same bioenergized frequencies, same everything. So what you get here is in a form here. So when you use these, you don't need a lot. 1/8 to 1/4 cup. This will last you, this one, for example, this will last you 4 to 8 baths, depending on how you use it. I recommend not using it any more than 1 time per week for intense abundance healing. If you're just looking for new moon ritual manifestations, use this ritual bath before your new moon ritual, all right? Or before you do anything on the 1st of the month. Like if you're doing the cinnamon ritual, doing the bay leaf ritual, doing a money ritual, doing a love ritual, bathe in this first, okay? We have the Love Spell bath salts. We have the Sacred Buddha bath salts. We have Stonehenge protection. All of our chakra synergy healing oils come in bath salts, and we also can provide you with bath salts for a wide variety of things, such as skin alchemy. We have warrior relief, and we can do any of the elementals and any of the zodiac perfumes as bath salts as well. You just need to let me know if that's something you're interested in as a custom formulation, and I'm happy to do it for you. Like I said, these are just absolutely beautiful. They're some of my favorite ways to absorb the energetics. You only need to be in the bath for about 10 to 20 minutes. And the way you do it, like I showed you in this video, makes it so easy for you to do the cleanup afterwards. There's no residue left in the tub whatsoever. So I hope this helps you, and I hope this answers some questions. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.